In today's video, we have compiled a fascinating world of innovative machines that are transforming industries, businesses, and even our daily lives. We'll show how they work, why they matter, and the impact they bring. Packed with ideas, surprises, and cutting-edge technology, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Introducing the Multifunctional Synthesizer Machine, the ultimate solution for producing medical non-woven plasters with speed, precision, and efficiency. Engineered for modern medical manufacturing, this innovative machine can produce 100 to 1,000 plasters per minute, ensuring high output without compromising quality. It works seamlessly with medical non-woven fabric and packages each plaster securely in PE film, guaranteeing hygiene and durability. With its high packing capacity, sleek silver design, and cutting-edge technology, this machine is the industry's first choice for facilities seeking reliability, innovation, and superior performance. Upgrade your production line and experience efficiency like never before. Smart Burger Vending Machine. Imagine owning a business that runs 24/7 without staff. This fully automatic pizza and burger vending machine makes that possible. With a capacity of 150 to 200 pieces and a sleek 32-inch touchscreen, it prepares hot, fresh food instantly, attracting students, office workers, and night owls. The real demand lies in busy urban areas, universities, airports, and shopping malls where people want fast, hygienic meals. The investment ranges from $6,000 to $10,000 depending on features, making it an affordable option compared to opening a restaurant. It accepts coins, bills, and cards, so anyone can buy. Perfect for entrepreneurs, small investors, or food lovers looking to start a trendy, automated food business. Steel roof rain gutter making. Rainwater management is a constant need in both residential and commercial construction, and gutters are an essential part of every building. This high-precision steel roof rain gutter making machine allows you to produce custom gutters with raw materials like pre-painted galvalume or regular galvanized iron. With a speed of 15 to 30 meters per minute, you can meet large-scale orders quickly while avoiding the costs of storage and transport. The investment runs between $8,000 and $18,000, making it far more affordable than setting up a full factory. Demand is strong in growing cities, especially in housing projects, warehouses, and renovation work. Contractors, small manufacturers, or entrepreneurs in construction supply can start this profitable business. Commercial chicken roasting oven. Roasted chicken is one of the most popular fast foods worldwide, loved for its flavor, aroma, and convenience. With a commercial chicken roasting oven, you can turn this demand into a profitable business. Priced between $200 and $600, it's an affordable investment compared to opening a restaurant. The oven features explosion-proof glass, a ceramic heating plate, and a durable stainless steel body designed for safety and long-term use. Beyond chicken, it can roast steak, meat rolls, potatoes, and more, making it versatile for street food stalls, small restaurants, or catering services. Easy to operate, it's perfect for beginners, home-based food sellers, or anyone wanting to start a small but high-demand food business. Footwear Sole Making Machine. Footwear is a necessity, not a luxury, and demand for affordable sandals and slippers is constant in every market. With this PVC sole injection molding machine, you can manufacture high-quality soles for sandals, slippers, and casual shoes at scale. This machine uses raw materials like PVC, TPR, and PCU, ensuring durability and comfort in the final product. Its key advantages are reliability and consistency, which are vital for building long-term customer trust. Ideal locations include industrial areas, wholesale shoe markets, or regions with growing demand for budget-friendly footwear. Entrepreneurs, small manufacturers, or anyone entering the footwear industry can start with this machine and grow into large-scale supply chains profitably. 3D Chocolate Vending Machine. Imagine selling chocolates that aren't just tasty, but personalized works of art. A 3D chocolate printing vending machine makes this possible, producing custom shapes, designs, and even names in chocolate. With an investment of around $6,000, it's an innovative business that stands out in a competitive food market. The demand is huge in dessert shops, gift stores, and supermarkets where customers want unique gifts and treats. Cafes, restaurants, and catering services can also use it to create eye-catching desserts for events. Even museums, schools, and entertainment venues can use the machine as an educational and fun attraction. Sequin Embroidery Machine. Fashion never goes out of demand, and sequins are one of the most eye-catching elements in clothing and accessories. A computerized sequin embroidery machine, priced around $6,500, allows you to produce shiny, multicolored motifs with high precision and speed. With a working size of 350 by 450 millimeters and support for multiple punching sizes, it's perfect for creating custom designs on dresses, saris, t-shirts, handbags, and home decor fabrics. This machine operates automatically with computerized controls, making it user-friendly even for small garment shops. Ideal markets include fashion boutiques, tailoring units, and apparel manufacturers that want to offer premium, decorative designs. Entrepreneurs in the garment industry can use this machine to attract high-paying clients and build a profitable niche. Ready Meals Packaging Line. If you're looking to start a food business that's high demand and low hassle, this Ready Meals packing machine is perfect. It can weigh, fill, seal, and pack all kinds of cooked food trays, sandwiches, veggies, tofu, even fast food combos, automatically. The trays can be plastic, paper, or aluminum, and everything moves smoothly with precise accuracy, so no mess, no waste. The investment is $9,000 to $13,000, and it's ideal for small food manufacturers, caterers, or restaurants that want to expand into ready-to-eat meals. With people always on the go, supermarkets, delivery services, and canteens are ready markets. Basically, it's a machine that turns your food into professional, sell-ready packs fast. Chocolate Bean Vending Machine. The demand for premium chocolate and confectionery is growing fast, especially in malls, schools, cafes, and entertainment zones. With an investment of just $3,200, this automatic cocoa butter chocolate candy dispenser lets you sell fresh, high-quality chocolate treats in under a minute per serving. What makes it a strong business opportunity is that it's low maintenance, requires minimal staff, and can run almost anywhere with high foot traffic. Remote stock monitoring ensures you never run out of inventory, keeping operations smooth. Entrepreneurs, cafe owners, or small investors can use it to tap into the growing sweet tooth market. With high margins on each cup and constant demand, it's a profitable, low-risk venture. Semi-automatic bagging machine. Packaging is one of the most reliable small business opportunities because demand never stops. This semi-automatic bagging machine, costing around $4,500, is designed for granular and solid products like onions, potatoes, grains, charcoal, with pellets, fertilizers, and animal feed. It can process 200 to 300 bags per hour, saving time and labor while maintaining consistency. Ideal for farmers, wholesalers, and small manufacturers, it allows you to supply local markets, supermarkets, and online stores with properly packaged goods. With increasing demand for neatly packed, ready-to-sell products, this machine helps you enter a market with constant turnover and solid profit potential. It's practical, scalable, and a smart choice for steady revenue. Straw Baling Press Machine. Agriculture produces tons of crop residues every season, and handling them efficiently is a major challenge for farmers. The automatic straw baling press solves this problem by turning corn stalks, wheat straw, rice straw, peanut seedlings, and other forages into compact round bales. Priced reasonably for both small-scale farmers and large agricultural enterprises, it saves time, labor, and storage space. It can work with tractors of different horsepower, making it adaptable to various farm setups. These bales can be sold to livestock farms, biofuel producers, or used as fodder, creating additional revenue streams. For anyone in the agricultural sector, investing in a baling press is a smart way to boost productivity and profits. Automatic Egg Processing Line. A complete, high-efficiency solution for producing pasteurized liquid eggs and premium egg powder. From egg feeding to final packing, every step is fully automated for maximum productivity and hygiene. The system integrates advanced machinery including an egg cleaning unit, candling and breaking machines, separators, pasteurizers, and precision drying equipment. The process begins with egg washing and drying, followed by candling to ensure quality. Next, the breaking and separating machines handle eggs with precision, while the filtration and pasteurization units guarantee purity and safety. Finally, the drying machine transforms the liquid into fine whole egg, yolk, or egg white powder ready for packaging.